Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Redmi so the swap goes smoothly. Back up your data and enable USB debugging in developer options. Download a verified iOS emoji font file and a reputable font installer APK on your phone or PC. These two files are what you'll use next. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and use a stable USB cable to avoid interruptions. I'll explain why each step matters as you go so you don't lose data or brick the device. Now you'll install the iOS emoji font. If you have a font installer that supports non-root changes, use its preview then apply feature so you can confirm appearance. This avoids guesswork. If your Redmi needs system-level replacement, use Magisk or root to safely push the font to /system/fonts and set correct permissions. This prevents crashes. Once applied, reboot the device, or if instructed, reboot into recovery to finalize. I'll walk you through permission settings so the system recognizes the new font correctly. Finish by clearing relevant app caches and testing iOS emojis in messages and social apps so you verify consistency. If you see display glitches or app instability, revert immediately to your backed-up font or uninstall the font module. That safeguards your ROM. Make sure to keep the original font backup for quick recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, reinstall the font module or restore your stock ROM from the backup. This resolves most compatibility issues without long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.